Bad relays on your HVAC control board can totally mess with how your heat and air conditioning work, especially by stopping your fan or compressor from running when they're supposed to. Okay, so if your thermostat isn't keeping your home comfy, it might be because the relay on the control board is acting up. That relay basically tells your system when to turn the fan or compressor on and off. When it goes bad, you can get no fan or no cooling and heating, even though the thermostat says it should be working. One quick way to check is to listen for clicking sounds when your HVAC starts up. No click could mean a bad relay. Another tip is to look for any burnt or dark spots on the control board's contacts, because that's a dead giveaway something's wrong. If you find a faulty relay, replacing it usually fixes the problem fast, without needing a whole new system. But if the control board itself got fried or has damaged contacts, swapping out the entire board might be the way to go. Always make sure to shut off power before poking around inside your HVAC unit. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat-related heat and air problems is ignoring the relay signs and thinking it's just the thermostat battery or settings, when it's actually an electrical issue that needs fixing. Another common issue is not checking the control board for burnt contacts, which leads to repeated failures even after replacing relays. Lastly, lots of folks try to fix it themselves without proper safety precautions, risking injury or making the problem worse. Always call a pro if you're unsure. Fix these by paying attention to symptoms like no fan operation, inspecting the board closely, and trusting a licensed technician when needed. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors to handle stuff like HVAC repairs without any hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.